Hi guys! Today's video is super duper exciting, super duper special because we are going to test out the new products from Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. Okay, so isa-isahin natin. We have a white base, yes, and we have a peach colored base, a peach corrector. And then, meron na dagdag na radiance tint na shade in honey. Okay, so unahin natin yung Milk Radiance Tint. Looks shocking, pero ang daming use ng white base corrector or like white base in general. Una sa lahat, you can use this to mix with your foundation or with your other bases. If you need to lighten it up, kapag kamali yung shade na nakuha mo, too dark for you or something like that, pwede mong haluan ito para mag-lighten up. You can also use this to highlight and to brighten areas, especially dito sa under eyes, sa inner corners, sa brow bone. Alam mo yun, without using like highlight, parang doon pa lang sa base is ima-map out mo na alin yung gusto mong parang angat or mag-pop out sa face mo or something like that. And speaking of pop out, you can also use this as an eyeshadow base kasi dahil white siya, any color na ilalagay mo sa lid mo, talagang, you know, magpa-pop out. Yung peach color corrector naman, this cancels out purplish, bluish, dark areas on your face. Peach correctors are perfect for the under eyes, pag may bonggang-bonggang eye bags ka. Ako personally, bukod sa under eyes, nilalagyan ko rin dito and also on the side of my nose kasi yun yung parang medyo uneven part sa sa face ko, alam mo yun. So kung bonggang-bongga yung dark under eye circles mo, peach corrector is for you. Well, peach corrector, this is for light to medium skin tones. But if you're like really deep, like Black American sort of kind of deep, malapit-lapit na or something, you might want to get a deeper than peach, which is orange. So itong 29C Honey, ano yung C? Is it cool? Is this for contour? I'm not entirely sure, but we shall try. So para magamit natin lahat, half of my face I'm going to use yung Milk and the other half I'm going to use yung peach corrector. And to make life more exciting, you guys, gagamitin na rin natin yung eye products ni Madam Ann in collaboration with Vice Cosmetics, yung ANNEGANDA All Day. This is like a dream team, you guys. Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, May Layog, and then CLUTZ. Perfect. Let me get my handy daddy Get Ready With Me mirror. So, umpisahan natin on this side. Again, I'm going to apply it on the sides na gusto kong medyo mag-pop out or i-highlight. Just basically, sige, a little bit of the under eye, yung brow bone, and then I might use this na rin on my nose. Pero guys, kanya-kanya tayo ng style. So, you highlight whatever you wanna highlight. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys, kasi tatakpan pa natin siya ng fondasyon. Next, let's go to the peach side. Other side of the sponge. So guys, expect nyo na hindi pantay yung mukha ko, okay? I look crazy, yes, but trust the process. Make it as thin line as possible. Lalagyan ko na rin dito. Medyo nag-set naman na yung aking Let's go with the foundation. You might want to use a full coverage foundation kasi kapag hindi full coverage, magiging super duper halata yung iyong color correcting base. Pero kung trip mo mag light to medium foundation or BB cream, sige go. But full coverage foundation is the way to go. And currently, ang aking full coverage foundation na meron ako is from FS Cosmetics. Oh my gosh! Do you see the difference, guys? Do you see how this side is like lifted, pero this side is like, you know, just pantay. I love it. Alam mo, hindi ko na-expect na parang magiging super duper excited ako sa white. I thought I was gonna be all about the peach one, but girl, it's the white for me. It's the milky. So like I said, for the eyes, gagamitin natin yung sa Vice Cosmetics and CLUTZ ANNEGANDA All Day, and half and half din tayo, okay? We have the brow pomade. It comes in two shades, yung Bongacious Brown and yung Sweet Lang Brown. And then we have two brown pens, isa Gora Gray, and then yung isa is yung Betchicals Brown. So para mas masaya, on this side of my face, I'm going to use yung mga brow pens, and then on this side, I'm going to use yung brow pomade. Kasi napanood ko yung video ni Mama Ann CLUTZ and sinabi niya na pwede rin siyang sort of kind of gamitin na eyeliner. umasa ako doon. So I'm going to use the grayish on my eyebrows and then the brown as my eyeliner. So we are slowly but surely going to mimic the hairs of my eyebrows and fill in the sparse areas. Using the dual-ended brush, meron tayong spoolie, meron tayong eyeliner brush. Let's go with the grayish pomade. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, brows is not my forte. It's not also my favorite. Kaya alam mo yun, gusto ko ng something very easy to use. Nothing too complicated. Alam mo yun. Oh. Infernies. Something you want to take note, kapag ka nagpomade ka, it's going to look more plakado than the brow pen. Napapressure tuloy ako nagdagan yung brow pen para magpantay siya. Pero winarningan ko na kayo, my face is not going to be pantay for this video. So bago ako maglalagay ng eyeliner, lagay tayo ng konting eyeshadow just to give a little bit of life. And let's proceed. Brow pen in Betchicles Brown. It's very subtle. Bongacious brown pomade on my left side. Ooh. Fresh and white gel liner for the waterline. And then a little bit sa inner corners. Soft lang brown gel liner. I'm going to use it here to extend my eyes para magmukhang mahaba. Oh. And you just flick it. Super mega ultra curl mascara for our lashes. Now for contour, sige, subukan na natin itong 29C Honey. Let me cut my double chin. I'm not afraid to put a lot nitong Radiance Tint kasi blendable siya, guys. So if ever you made a mistake, it's so easy to blend, it's so easy to erase, or it's so easy to put something on top of it without it looking crazy. Ooh! Dang! Die bigla ako nagkaroon ng hollow cheeks, die! Payak yarn? I just lost 10 pounds by applying this contour cream. Dito tayo magkakatalo. Sa Nurse Contour. I'm going to apply it as close as possible dito sa highlighted area. For my lips, full pakpakak ng Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Multi-Use Tint in mixed berries and brown sugar. For my blush, yung natitira ng mixed berries.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone?
Alright guys, so this is the finished look and I am so happy with how it came out. Hindi pantay yung mukha ko, I know. But I am super duper happy with the new shades of the Radiance Tint. Lalo na itong Milk. I'm super duper happy with the instant highlight, instant lift sa face without having to use like, you know, highlight. So you might want to get Milk. Yeah. Plus, magagamit nyo rin to kapag meron kayong foundation na medyo mas darker sa inyo. Mix it with Milk to get your perfect shade. Peach corrector, love the effect. Nabawasan yung aking dark under eye circle. Although hindi naman grabe kasi yung dark under eye circle ko, pero kung grabe yung sayo, you might want to get this as well. And guys, I was not expecting it, but I am super duper happy with this shade, yung Honey. It's like my perfect contour, y'all. It's cool enough for my cheekbones, for my jawline. A little bit medyo effect na rin siya on my nose contour, pero you know, medyo, I don't know, for some reason, yung mga contour products, lumalabas yung pagiging red-ish, orange-ish, or brown-ish tone niya pag sa nose ko, pero pag dito sa cheeks ko or sa jawline ko, okay naman. I don't know, pero happy. Love. I love this. This is like the contour for me. Walang tapon for me yung bagong shades ng Radiance Tint. I do recommend yung 3 new shades. I-try nyo, it just might change your makeup game. Lalo na kung hindi ka nagko-color correcting, alam mo yun, diretso foundation ka or BB cream. Perfect for events. Lalo na ngayon na medyo dumadami na yung mga events natin. So, baka alam mo yun, kailanganin mo ng something full pakak on. Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Radiance Tint. Yung concealers, you can use it as foundation itself. Now, for the CLUTZ products, yung mga gel liners, I love them forever. Kasi lumabas na yan before eh. And naubos ko na yon. I love the pomade. I mean, I thought yung brow pen was gonna be my favorite, but no. For the eyebrows, it's the pomade for me. Ayan, oh. Well, if you want a more natural looking, go for the brow pen. Pero if you want a more plakado looking, go for the pomade. Ngayon, you don't have to necessarily use them as eyeliner. Sinabi lang kasi ni Madam Anna, pwede daw. So, ginawa ko. Uto-uto ako eh. Pero if you want a subtle eyeliner, you can use it. Kasi hindi naman siya black eh. Brownish, cool tone gray. So yeah, you can use it as an eyeliner, pero hindi yung in-your-face eyeliner. But you know what? Overall, I'm so happy with the new products try-on video for today. I love all of the products. And sana nabigyan ko ng justice for you guys yung paggamit ko ng products. I hope nakatulong ako on your decision making if you want it or not. Yeah, congratulations to May Layo again for coming up new shades ng Radiance Tint. Your girl keeps on grinding. And of course, congratulations din kay Mama Ann for coming up a new collection with Vice Cosmetics. Malay nyo, one day isang araw ang mag-collab si Ann CLUTZ at si May Layo, no? Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo the same way I did. If you want to get these products, I'm gonna link it down below at the description box. So be sure to check it out. Eto, totoo na talaga to. Next video natin, wear test, and it's a lip product, and it's a must watch. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!